Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by preparing the link you want to convert into a QR code. Check the full URL for typos and make sure it uses HTTPS when applicable. Test the link in a browser to confirm it opens correctly and loads in under 10 seconds. If the URL is longer than 100 characters, consider using a shortening service like Bit. Lie to reduce size. Decide whether you need a static code or a dynamic code for analytics and later editing. Next, pick a QR code generator that matches your needs and budget. Prefer a tool that offers dynamic codes if you expect to change the link later. Set error correction to 30%, called Level H, when you plan to add a logo or print on textured paper. Choose an output format like PNG for general use or SVG for sharp scaling and printing. For printed materials, export at 300 dpi to ensure reliable scanning across devices. Generate the QR code with your chosen settings and download the final file. Name the file with a clear version identifier like Campaign V1, PNG for organization. Before publishing, scan the code with at least 3 devices and different scanning apps to confirm consistent results. Test scans on Android and iOS and in offline conditions if needed. When placing for print or display, leave a quiet zone of at least 3.5 inches or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.